Brock String by Dr. Pink Sidhu and Thaksha Sritharan. Disclaimer: this video provides information that may or may not apply to you and your specific vision or healthcare program. If you have any questions, please contact Dr. Pink Sidhu at www.drpink.ca. What is vision therapy? Vision therapy is a safe, drug-free, and effective way to improve, develop, and rehabilitate visual skills. The program is personally customized for each patient in order to improve their vision deficiencies and to reduce related symptoms. Vision therapy includes, but is not limited to, the use of lenses, prisms, filters, specialized instruments, computer programs, and more. The prescribed therapy techniques should be practiced at home. Vision therapy is supported by ongoing evidence-based scientific research and can be an effective treatment option for the following: eye movement disorders, non-strabismic binocular disorders, strabismus, amblyopia, accommodative disorders, and visual information processing disorders, including visual motor integration and integration with other sensory modalities. Purpose of Brock String. The use of a Brock string is a form of accommodative vision therapy that is used to teach the feeling of turning your eyes in and out. What you need: a string, one red bead, one green bead, and one yellow bead. This exercise should be conducted for 15 to 20 minutes daily or as otherwise instructed by the eye professional. To be most successful, you should perform this task in a bright, quiet room with minimal distractions when you are well rested. How to set up the Brock string. Attach one end of the string to a doorknob or to the back of a chair. Hold the other end to your nose with the green bead closest to you. Next, place the beads 20 centimeters apart from one another. Make sure to hold the string tight and make sure it's not loose. The string should face slightly downwards. How to train. First, look at the middle yellow bead. Secondly, look at the closer green bead. Thirdly, look at the furthest red bead. Keep jumping from yellow to green to red, then back to yellow. So again, look at the yellow, then the green, and then the red. And then repeat and look at the yellow, the green, and then the red. This is what you will see when you're looking at the yellow bead. When focusing on the yellow middle bead, you will notice that there are two red beads and two green beads. Notice that there are two strings, and notice the X pattern. The middle of the X should cross at the bead you're looking at. In this case, it will cross at the yellow bead. When focusing on the red bead, this is what you will see. You will notice that there are two yellow beads and two green beads. Notice that there are still two strings. And notice the X pattern. The middle of the X should cross at the bead you're looking at. In this case, it will cross at the red bead. When focusing on the green bead, you should notice that there are two yellow beads and two red beads. Notice that there are still two strings. Notice the X pattern. The middle of the X should cross at the bead you're looking at. In this case, it will cross at the green bead. Here are some goals to consider. The first goal is to make sure the bead you're looking at is clear and single. The second goal is to make sure the other beads you are not looking at should appear double. The third goal is that you should notice the two strings and you should see an X pattern. If the X pattern appears to cross behind the beads, that means your eyes are not turning in enough. Try to turn your eyes more in until the middle of the X crosses at the bead. If the X pattern is crossing in front of the bead, that means the eyes are turning in too much. Try to turn your eyes more out until the middle of the X crosses at the bead. If you only see one string, blink, blink, blink until you see two strings.